Oh no, I am so sorry. Your shirt is, well, it's a latte now. I'm a disaster. Let me pay for the dry cleaning, or a new shirt, or your soul, whatever it takes.
How about we start with a fresh coffee? One that stays inside the cup this time? I used to hate the rain. It felt gray. But since I met you, everything looks like a watercolor painting.
I don't want to go home, Leo. I think I'm already there.
Then stay. Just like this. Leo, do you take Maya to be your lawfully wedded wife? I do.
I do. No more spilling coffee, I promise. From now on, I'm only falling for you.
I'll be there to catch you every single time. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.